What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis and I got some really exciting news, but if you can see in the background right here, I did not get the ZR2 back yet, but I got some other exciting news. So let's swing back into the office and I'll show you guys what we're working with. All right, guys, come check out the new Downtime office over here. So we got the new setup in the new house, and this is where all the magic happens. You know, this is where I make all the videos for you guys. Got this nice, sweet chair off Facebook Marketplace, and I have some new last fit liners for the ZR2. Still don't have the truck, so that's a bummer. I'll talk about it in this video. Got a futon, and it's still a mess. Still haven't figured everything out yet, you know. So let's hop on the computer and I'll show you guys some cool stuff. Huge shout out to the DV8 guys for giving me a little pick me up. Since my truck's been down, it's been a big bummer and it's been making me super depressed, and I just really don't know what to do. So if you want to buy some merch, downtimelost.com, check it out. We're selling some merch. It would really make me happy and maybe help me with my sadness of not having a truck. But if you see in the background, check it out. Look what we got here. Let's zoom into the computer and I'll show you guys what we're working with here. Boom. So check it out, guys. We got the new tube bumper for the ZR2. So this will be 2023 and up ZR2 Colorados. And super excited about this one. It's super low profile. And I know a lot of people have been asking for a tube style ZR2 bumper for a long time. And honestly, 99.99999% of the time, you don't need a winch. So if you guys can live with that, then this one's for you. This one's more for like the high speed, super light. It's going to be way lighter than a winch bumper and way more high clearance than a winch bumper, because the problem is with the Colorados is that the intercooler, the turbo and everything makes it hard. Either you got to go out or you got to go down with the winch. So that's why a lot of the winch bumpers are not as high clearance as like something like this. And 99.9 times I never needed a winch, especially if you're wheeling hard trails. You really do need a buddy with you. Like, it's a good idea. So one time my buddy had to give me one tug, so it's not that big of an issue. This is gonna have tow hooks also. It's gonna paint them red like the ZR2s also have them. So you'll also be able to have that option, a nice little front recovery point. But yeah, it has a really nice skid plate. It's going to look good. Super excited about this bumper. You can run a bunch of lights in the center. I think it's 20-inch light bar and two 3-inch pods on the side right there. And it's going to look good. So this is the comparison between the Spec Series ZR2 bumper, the one that has the winch, and you can see how much it does hang out a little bit because the winch, you have to cradle the winch in there, and they make them universal for every style winch, so it has to be a little bit bigger. Um, you know, it's just, if you want to run a winch, you can get the Spec Series, but if you don't want to and be a high-speed light, you can run the tube. And then also they're going to sell this optional light bar, bull bar type of deal, where you can add these lights on top. I have my rigid 360s, or I might get some DV8 lights just like that Bronco has. The up one right there, that one is a Silverado ZR2, so it has the light bar on it in the CAD right there, so that's the Silverado ZR2, so kind of the same. Whereas Cursor Ad is a license plate holder, so if you're in one of those states that need the front license plate, that is there for you guys also. So yeah, super excited about this bumper. I'm been waiting for a tube style bumper for a long time, and DV8 came through. So boom, there's it on the truck. Super sweet. This truck is on 37, so that's why the tire's so big. So that's kind of, maybe something in the future I'm gonna do, but see how high clearance that is up on the front end right there. You're not gonna smash it on anything, and super lightweight, no winch, and honestly, a lot of people want to run a winch when they don't really need to run a winch. If you're doing hard trails, you're going to want a buddy with you anyways. So, they can always give you a tug off an obstacle or something. Never really came into a situation where I needed one. So, super excited about the non-winch bumpers. And if you're trying to keep it light and go fast, dude, like, winch bumpers and the winch all combined weighs a lot of weight in the front end, especially with a winch in there and everything. So super excited about this one. going to be very nice. And as soon as it comes out of production, I'll be slapping it on the channel. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Hopefully my truck gets back here ASAP. I'll talk to you guys about that a little bit more soon, but I'm super bummed out about it. So yeah, this is the bumper from DV8 Off-Road. They have the Spec Series bumper, which is going to be the winch option, also coming out soon. That one's a little bit more further down in the R&D process, so that one should be coming out pretty soon for you guys if you guys really want to run a winch. But I'm looking forward to this one because it's going to be super sweet, especially with the optional bull bar you can run and the nice skid plate that it comes with, and super lightweight tube style. This is going to be the upper shot of the bumper. It's pretty much damn near flush with the front of the truck. And yeah, you can't really have as high clearance bumpers with these trucks if you want to run a winch, but I don't really need one of those. Even all the hard trails I do, never really needed it. And I mean, yeah, just super excited about this one. Yeah, here's some more shots of it. Just kind of give it a nice look.
Well, while I'm smoking some steaks, I'll talk to you guys about how my truck's going. So they replaced the brake control module, and they said that's not the problem. They need to replace the brake master cylinder, and I know, and some other parts, another part, but I know that a lot of people have had this problem also. And it's a big bummer because there's literally a back order, no ETA on these parts. So that really sucks, and I'm not really happy about that. Because like my black truck would have never done this, and my truck's been at the dealership for about 17 days when you guys watch this video, and that kind of sucks. I mean, yeah, I have the trail boss and everything, but I can't go wheeling the trail boss. You know what I mean? I can't go have fun. Can't do what I need to do. Can't do anything that I want to do with the trail boss, and it's kind of a bummer. So yeah, brake master cylinder failed, brake booster, and then the brake assembly, booster assembly. Waiting on those two parts, so let's hope they come pretty soon, because we're going to SEMA this year, guys. We're going to SEMA. We're at the NOCO booth, so we got to start building this thing up. We got some cool plans coming with it. We got like a dual battery system, everything like that in the back, and the DV8 Tube bumpers. Can't wait for the rear. I'll show you guys the rear when the rear's out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and YouTube to kind of see like those posts and everything. Probably won't make a video about the rear, but stay along and kind of check out the rear when it comes. But yeah, it's a big bummer, dude. And yeah, 17 days of the dealership. It's close to 30, and honestly, the dealerships I've been working with are kind of dog shit, and they really haven't helped that very much. They, thankfully I have an Instagram follower who works as a GM engineer, and he said he can get my vehicle, hopefully, or my parts expedited as soon as possible. But honestly, like you can't really tell a boat from China to go any faster, you know what I mean? So a lot of some people have been waiting for their truck for like 4 months, and that's kind of crazy. Like, I can't wait 4 months for some parts, like that's kind of ridiculous. And hopefully I can make something happen. And black truck would have never done this, and it makes me sad because I only had the ZR2 for 4 days. Like, the new truck vibe, excitement, everything, like it's just not there anymore. And I'm just really excited to get it back, but yeah, it's kind of a bummer. Let me check my steaks. Honestly, been using the Pit Boss like every single day since we got this house, and smoking some steaks right now, and they're looking pretty good. We're at 122 degrees. I'm gonna flip them pretty soon, and it's gonna be yummy. All right, guys, so that's about it for this week's video. I'm really excited that I can show you guys the new DV8 Tube bumpers. They're gonna look really sick, especially if you really don't want to run a winch like me. I don't find it very necessary for the type of wheeling I do, because I normally have a buddy if I'm doing some hard trails and everything. But If you are wanting to run a winch, you can also get the Spec Series bumper. It is a really good bumper. I ran it on my Z71, and it did some work. Like, they are super strong, and you know, they're super high clearance for what they can be. I would have to say, because our trucks, the frame rails are not that wide, so you can only fit a winch in there, and you know, either you have to go down or straight. Like I said, you got to go forward or down to get the winch to fit if you want to run a winch. But if you don't, like, the two bumper is going to be a sweet option. Super high clearance, super light, and it's going to look good. So I'm excited to get that bumper on my truck, and also the rear, because I'm super excited about the tube rear. And like I said, my truck's going to be at SEMA this year. Like I said, my truck's going to be at the NOCO booth at SEMA. So I'm super excited for that. Get some footage on that one. They're going to be doing something super special on the truck, and I'm very excited for that, because I've never been to SEMA, and it's super awesome that my truck could be at SEMA. It's a lifelong dream, and I'm super excited for that. So like I said, stay tuned for the DV8 bumpers. The Spec Series bumper is going to be out soon. Might get that one on my truck too, and get the tube bumper for sure on the truck full time, because I just love the look of the tube style bumper. High clearance, lightweight. I can't really beat that. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna sit here, drink beer, and wait for my truck to be here. I've been itching to go off-roading, dude. Like, I really do want to get my truck back and head over to Moab, Utah, and hit some fun trails. But I got to make sure I have enough PTO to do SEMA, Pismo Beach trip that we have planned, and Moab, Utah. So super excited. I love you guys so much. Make sure to check out downtimelost.com. We got some sweet merch, and it'll make me happy, and I won't be as sad that my truck's gone, and hopefully I can get my truck back. But love you guys so much. Hopefully next week I'm not whining and bitching about GM that my truck's not here, but I honestly have no faith. So appreciate you guys so much. Love you so much. You guys are the best. Stick around. The truck's not here, and I know it's kind of not my vibe either, but try my best. So love you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.